Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to cook this traditional Bangladeshi spicy red lentil rice. Don't scare to spice. I will cook in less spice so everyone can taste it. It's also very easy to make and very delicious. So let's see what we need. I have here 1 cup Basmati rice, half cup red lentil. Make sure you buy split one, not the whole one. Then we need 2 dried bay leaves, 2 to 3 cardamom pods, some cloves like 3 or 4, and some black pepper, and 1 cinnamon stick like 1 to 2 inch. We need half cup onion slices. Then we need 3 to 4 green chili, but it's optional. 1 tablespoon ginger paste, 2 to 3 piece garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, and half teaspoon cumin powder. 1/4 cup oil, which is little less than the usual, and then salt to your taste. I also need 3 cup warm water. It could be more or less depend on your rice and lentils. When pot get warm, put oil and then onion with dried spices. When onion start looks little transparent, add other spices one by one. If needed, add some water like 2 tablespoons. I'm cooking it in medium heat. After couple of minutes cooking, when all spices start spreading aroma, add red lentils and rice. I soak my rice and lentils for 30 minutes. If you don't have time, you can skip this part. But then you may need little extra water, and again it's gonna depend on your rice and lentils. Fry rice and lentil for 2 to 3 minutes and then add warm water. Now we will cover it with a lid and let it cook. It's time to check our rice. Rice still have water and not cooked yet. So I'm going to put the lid back and let it cook. But before that, I gonna remove those bay leaves because I don't like too much bay leaves aroma, but you can leave it. While my rice is cooking, I'm frying some onions for garnishing. You can use packet fried onions also. No more water left, and our rice is perfectly fluffy and also perfectly soft. In this point, adding some green chilies and cover it again. This will not spice up the rice, but it will give a fantastic aroma. I'm going to keep it very simple and garnish with fried onions and some green chilies. You guys can decorate with tomato rose or cucumber or any other way. I know you guys are very creative. Whenever we cook this red lentil rice, we make this special cucumber salad and eggplant fries. Don't be sad, this salad and eggplant recipe is coming soon. To stay updated, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell button. And don't forget to check my other videos. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video.